Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Mohammed Iqbal and I am from 2CSCD. My registration number is 21BQ1805L0. Today I am going to give a seminar on the hash map. As we know, hash map is a part of collections. So let us discuss about hash map. Hash map uh, is in the form of key and value pairs and it is a part of Java's collection since Java 1.2. The class is found in Java util package. This, as we know that these collections like what a linked list or something are in util package. To use this hash map, we want to import the java.util.hash map or we can simply use java.util.star. Hash map is similar to the hash table, but it is asynchronous. It allows us to store the null key values as where, but there should be only one null key object and there can be any number of null values. This class makes no guarantees as to order the map. To use the class and its methods, you need to import java.util.hashmap package or its superclass. As we before informed that we have to import the Java util package. It is in the form of key value pairs. See, it stores the data in key value pairs as you can access them in an index of another type. See, let us see a example of hash map. See here we are importing the java.util.package. Here we are writing a class GFG and we are writing a main method. See here we are declaring a hash map C syntax, hash maps, key value. Here we are creating the object with the name of map, new hash map. Here map hash map of interface created with the name of object map. We can simply use map name map object map to perform operations on hash map. Hashmap have some default inbuilt methods like here we are seeing put. Put is used to insert the elements and size is used to know the size of the hash map. So let us see here. We have declared a map and we have inserted three values and key values and pairs. Here we have printed these values. So let us move on to the some different and characteristics of the hash map. Characteristics of the hash map. Hash map is a data structure that is used to store and retrieve values based on keys. Some of the key characteristics of hash map includes fast access time. Hash map provides constant time access to elements, which means the retrieval and insertion of elements is very fast, usually row of one time and complexity. Using hashing function, hash maps use a hash function to map key values to indicate in an array. This allows quick lookups for values based on keys. Stores key value pairs. Each element in a hash map consists of a key value pair. The key is used to look up the associated value. Supports null values and key values. Null keys and values. Hash map allows for null values and keys. This means that a null key can be used to store a value and a null value can be associated with a key, not ordered. As we know that hash maps are not ordered, which means that the order in which elements are added to the map is not preserved. However, linked hash map is a variation of hash map that preserves the insertion order, allows duplicates. Hash map allows for duplicate values but not duplicate values. If a duplicate value is added, the previous value associated with the key is overwritten. Thread unsafe and capacity and load factor. Here is an example for creating a hash map in Java. As we know that we have to use hash map, so we definitely want to import the java.util.hashmap or java.util.star. See, we have taken a class example hash map. We have declared main method. See, we are creating a map object, hash map object, which is a key with string and value with integer. Here the hash map name is object name is hash map. Here we have entered three values. Before as the example, we have printed them and know the size. See, we have hash map dot remove. We have removed the gym and we have printed that hash map that contains key gym. We are checking that the gym value is there in the key or not. As before we have deleted it. So it results boolean value false. Then we are checking for the size 2. Before it was 3 as we have inserted 3 and we have removed 1 and we have checked that size is 2. Let us see the default methods in the hash map. A clear method is used to remove all the mappings from the map. Clone returns a shallow copy of the hash map instance. The key and value themselves are not cloned. Compute attempts to compute a mapping for the specified key and its current mapped value. Contains key. It takes object key as the input, returns true if the map contains a mapping for the specified key. Contains value. Returns true if the map maps one or more keys to the specified value. Entry set. Returns a set view of the mapping contained in the map. Get. Get method is used to get the key. Returns the value to which the specified key is mapped or null if the map contains no mapping for the key. IsEmpty method. IsEmpty method is used to return true if the map contains no key value mappings. Key set returns a set view of the keys contained in this map. Merge. Merge method is used to merge two hash maps. It is specified key is not already associated with a value or is associated with null. Associates it with given non-null values. Put, as we before discussed in the above examples, put associates the specific values with the specified key in the map. Put all copies all the mappings from the specified map to this map. Remove method removes the mapping for the specified map from the key present. Size method is used to return the number of key value mappings in this map. Values returns a collection view of the values contained in the map. Methods inherited from class.java abstract map. Equals compare the specified object with the map for equality. Hash code returns the hash code value of this map. As we have discussed, equals compares the specified object with the map for equality. So let us see some examples of clear methods. See syntax of the clear method. Hashmap.clear parameters. The method does not accept any parameter. Return value. The method does not return any value. See here we're seeing an example. Here we have imported util package. We created a hash map using hash map. We have inserting this using put method. And here we are clearing all the methods. See here we have printed the map objects with using hash map. It is the object where we have created a hash map. We have all 5 elements in this hash map. See 20 is equal to gigs. Welcome. We all printed. At last we use a clear method. That means it all removes all the elements in the hash map. So we have printed again after clearing. See it is showing null. It is showing null. So let's move to the next method. Let us see get object, get method. Hashmap.get. It is a syntax of the get. It takes object and key element. Object which in which map it is should be entered and what value should be entered. So let's see the example. See hashmap.put 10 comma gigs. Here 10 is the index value or a key and value pair. Here we are inserting some 5 values. System.out.print. We are printing all the objects and we want to get a specific element from that. We are using the values keys 25 means associate value. Here we get welcome. And here again we are printing some hashmap.get10. Its associated value geeks will obtain. So let us see another method. Is empty method. This method is used to know whether the hash map is empty or contains elements. The syntax of the hash map is empty is hashmap.isEmpty. So let us see an example. As we have discussed many examples, same as we are inserting the elements and we are checking that hash map is containing any elements or not. We have already 5 elements, so this hash map is empty returns false because it has elements. So let us see another example. See here we got hash map true because we created hash map but we have none inserted, no elements, so it returns true. So far we have discussed many things about the hash map. Thanking you for giving me this opportunity.